So I'm Angelea. I'm a newly qualified primary school teacher. I'm currently working in the foundation phase in a mixed Year 1 reception class in Rhondda Primary School in RCT. As a primary school teacher, my main tasks are to plan and prepare lessons, to teach those lessons effectively and make sure the children are engaged and have a good understanding of what I've taught, and also then to mark any work they've completed and to provide the children with feedback so that they can progress. The safety and well-being of the children is always a teacher's top priority. There are procedures and policies in place to protect and safeguard our children. On a typical day, the children will be taught numeracy, literacy, and we also have a new topic every term. Within that topic, the children are able to learn and explore lots of different skills across the curriculum. Because it is a foundation phase class, we are always encourage the children to be creative and to learn hands-on. Lots of outdoor play is also incorporated. When I was doing my GCSEs, I didn't know for definite that I wanted to be a teacher, but I stayed on to do my A-levels, and then I went on to university where I studied music and musical theatre at the University of Chichester. After that then, that's when I realised that teaching was definitely the route that I wanted to go down, so I done my PGCE in primary studies at Trinity St David's. There is a teacher pay scale, so as a newly qualified teacher you start at £24,000. This can then increase as you get more experience up to £40,000. My favourite part of the job is definitely just being in the classroom with the children and seeing them progress is really rewarding. As a newly qualified teacher, I have a mentor within my school who's there to support me. I also receive the support from the head teacher and all the staff within the school. I think the skills that you need to be a good teacher are good organisation skills, good communication skills, you need patience, and you need to be able to work as part of a team. It's also really important to be passionate about the job and to have lots of enthusiasm.